According to the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, at least 8% of Americans will experience lower back pain in their lifetime. This is true. I'm going to show you how to relieve lower back pain with stretching. At the end of this video, I will show you my top secret to fix lower back pain for good. Before I show you how to fix your lower back pain, it's always best to talk with your doctor first. I stretched too fast. Don't make the same mistake I did. Be mindful of your body movement. It's a good habit to do your movements slowly. Ready? If you have experienced yoga classes, then these stretches may be familiar to you. These stretches are really good for you. This helps loosen your tight lower back muscles, promoting flexibility and blood circulation along the spine. Relax and reduce that tightness. Try hold your position for 30 seconds and repeat. If you feel stretching is impossible for you, that's alright. Let's try this. Widen your knees. Get a pillow and you can rest it on your head. If your knees hurt, place a rolled up towel underneath. Better. Place your elbows here. Now that's a good stretch. The most common area people stretch often is the lower back region. Don't do that. The best area to stretch are the areas around the lower back, such as your core, hips, glutes, and thighs. These are the best areas to stretch because your hips and thighs are essential in supporting the lower back. Next, we will talk about the knee to chest stretch. You want to make sure your hip is on the floor. Avoid lifting your hips. This also helps loosen your lower back. If you can't do the stretch, you can lift both of your knees. If you can't use your arms to stretch your knees, you can wrap the towel around to help. Another important aspect of stretching is the piriformis muscle. Wait, where is that? It is located deep within the buttocks. The piriformis muscle is important to stretch because this helps stabilizes the hip joints. For example, when you're walking, you don't want your hip joints to be too loose. You want your hip joints to be stable and smooth so that there's less risk of hurting yourself. If you cannot stretch like I've shown, just keep your foot on the floor. These 3 stretching techniques will definitely help reduce the chance of lower back pain. Now, I will share you my top secret technique. The best way to prevent and fix your lower back pain for a long time is, ready? Strength training. Duh, strength training makes sense, right? Strength training will make back muscles stronger, legs, hips, and also your whole body if possible. This will also help your bones function better too. Your best strength is focused in the core muscle. The stronger your core muscle, the better your body functions and stabilizes, which means less lower back pain. This is called the bird and dog stretch technique. This helps your erector spine, rectus abdomens, and glutes. Keep your hips level and don't rotate your pelvis. That's the challenging part, right? The most important thing is to try your best. Keep the back of your neck in line with your spine and move slowly with control. That's the key. Don't forget to maintain smooth and even breathing. There is another best stretching technique, which is the dead bug. You must be wondering why this is called the dead bug. Oh, that literally almost looks like a dead bug. Now, we've talked about strength training, focused on the lower back and the core muscles. We have one more important muscle to talk about. One of the biggest muscles in our bodies is one of the strongest. Yup, the buttocks. The biggest muscle in our buttocks is called the gluteus maximus. The gluteus maximus is essential and responsible for keeping your hip movements stable. The key to the gluteus maximus is not to let your lower back move up for you. You must try to use your gluteus maximus more than your lower back. For example, if you sit on the toilet, sit in the car, and sit in your office or school for a long time, your hips, if stable and strong, are important in these situations. Also, if your gluteus maximus muscle is weak, you will experience lower back pain. If you want more challenge, you can use a heavy backpack or use resistance bands. Now you know how to prevent and fix your lower back pain. Go ahead and try these simple stretching exercises. You will notice a big difference in your life. You will feel like you can move like a kid. I have some more tips. Try your best move around, such as walking. It's pretty simple, right? Don't sit for too long. 30 minutes or less is okay. You should also consider investing in a standing desk. You can alternate sitting and standing that way. Please go ahead and share this video. Lower back pain is not funny. I experienced this many times because I grew up sitting for too long. I hope this video potentially helped protect it and saved your lower back pain. Don't forget to click subscribe and follow me for more content. See you next time.